When it comes to buying web hosting, SimpleHost is an option many consider, but before you make your decision, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we'll cover the 12 essential aspects of SimpleHost that will help you decide if it's the right choice for you, especially when compared to other popular hosting providers. First thing you need to know, SimpleHost offers a variety of hosting plans, but the pricing can be tricky. Their cheapest plan looks affordable at first, but you might find the features quite limited compared to competitors like Bluehost or SiteGround. While SimpleHost's plans start at a reasonable price, to access essential features like backups, you'll need to upgrade. Next thing to keep in mind, their user interface. SimpleHost has a clean and easy to navigate dashboard, which is a plus, especially for beginners. It's a little more streamlined than GoDaddy, but not as feature-packed as cPanel, which is used by providers like HostGator. If you prefer something more robust, you might need to get used to SimpleHost's interface. The third thing, uptime. SimpleHost promises a 99.9% uptime, which is decent, but not as high as some competitors, like SiteGround, who offer near-perfect uptime rates. If your website needs to be online at all costs, you might want to look elsewhere. But for most users, this uptime is perfectly fine. The fourth thing, customer support. SimpleHost's customer service is responsive, but not always as fast as some of the more premium hosting services out there. If you value quick support, you might feel frustrated by wait times. Services like Bluehost offer 24/7 support with shorter response times. Fifth, storage. SimpleHost doesn't offer unlimited storage on their plans. While other hosting providers like HostGator offer truly unlimited disk space, SimpleHost storage is limited based on the plan you choose. For small websites, this might be enough, but growing websites could run into issues quickly. The sixth thing, scalability. SimpleHost can accommodate small to medium websites, but if you're planning to scale up in the future, you might find its limitations. Competitors like A2 Hosting provide more scalable options, including virtual private servers and dedicated hosting, right from the start. The seventh thing to consider, domain registration. SimpleHost doesn't offer free domain registration with their hosting plans, unlike some competitors who include it in the first year. If you're starting a new website, this extra cost may be a factor to weigh in. Next, let's talk about security. SimpleHost does include SSL certificates, but it's not as comprehensive in terms of security features compared to others like SiteGround, which includes daily backups and proactive security measures. For extra security, you'll need to pay for add-ons. The ninth thing to keep in mind, website speed. While SimpleHost provides decent performance, it's not the fastest option compared to others in the market. SiteGround and A2 Hosting excel in speed, with built-in caching and optimization tools that boost load times considerably. The 10th thing, backup options. SimpleHost's backup system isn't as automatic or robust as other services like Bluehost, which provide daily backups on higher plans. With SimpleHost, you may need to set up backups manually or pay extra for a more automated solution. 11th, email hosting. SimpleHost does include email hosting on its plans, but again, it's more limited compared to competitors like HostGator or A2 Hosting, who offer more advanced email features as part of their hosting packages. Finally, SimpleHost doesn't offer many advanced features that developers may be looking for. If you need more control over your hosting environment, like SSH access or server customization, you might find other hosting options more suited to your needs, such as Liquid Web or Kinsta. Overall, SimpleHost is a good web hosting option for small to medium websites, but if you want a more comprehensive solution with better speed, scalability, and security, you might want to explore other options. If you're looking for something that performs better overall and gives you more features to work with, check out our recommended hosting provider, which you can try for free.